a test of a live stream using Restream.io, a cloud-based multi-streaming service. It seems like I could either use, like one could use like a service like Streamlabs OBS and then directly multi-stream to multiple places. If you use a cloud-based service like Restream.io, you just send it to that one service. You only have to do one stream at a time, and then they take on the stream load there and then multi-stream into multiple services there. So I'm actually, how this should work is that I'm multi-streaming this to my personal Facebook page, YouTube, and my Twitch stream at the same time. So yeah, as such, we're going to have this little bumper here. Restream allows you to stream to live to 30 plus social platforms at once. That's some default text they have there, meant to promote themselves, of course. I'm also looking at other features of stuff I'm using. I'm using Streamlabs OBS to stream my content. Hopefully the audio is okay. But yeah, on Streamlabs, they're encouraging me to level up and sell merch in a merch store. So I was thinking of selling this merch in a merch store. Like you could buy a t-shirt that says, "I am a filthy, filthy consumer," and all I got was this t-shirt. You know, just kind of like bow your heads to capitalism there. This is a test stream. Let me know if the audio is okay here, and if it's okay here. I'm using the built-in audio microphone of my laptop. I also have like a thing for my thing. Whoops, that's a little spoiler there. But I had an auto post going to my Discord server. I made a personal Discord server. Let me know if you want to join that for whatever reason. I'm not doing anything with it right now, but if you want to join it, feel free to let me know, and I can send you an invite. You can message me on whichever platform you want, Twitch, Facebook, YouTube. Yeah, I'm looking at all those, whatever, let me know. But yeah, some recent news today. Apparently there's some announcements by the emo community. Coming in. What's your take? I'm sure it's a very divisive issue amongst the emo community. Saying the emo community like somehow. Anyway, some experts say you can be too old to be emo. Some critics disagree. We can have some guest speakers follow up on that issue later on the stream because I'm talking as if this is 24 hours streaming or whatever. But yeah, so like hopefully, I don't know if you're getting anything out of this. I don't know if anybody cares. Oh, I say, nice saying hi from YouTube. You got someone saying, it sounds like the audio's okay. Wow, lol, looks like a news thing. Yeah, something about just like the default graphics in this live studio thing in Restream.io's web service makes it look like a news thing. Yeah, stuff like this makes it seem like news. More on this later. This is from Restream.io. Yeah, cool. Nice people checking this out. I'm using the free service right now. So I just saw a comment from a friend from YouTube, so I'm able to reach multiple audiences this way. Hello, hope you're doing well. And then some comments from Twitch. So yeah, makes it seem like news. Yeah, and then I don't know. I'm just thinking about like I'm getting really invested in all this streaming stuff, streaming culture. But you know what? I think it's for personal connection is what the purpose of streaming culture is. Just connecting with people. So you know, if you want to connect with someone, if you want to connect with me and doing all this stuff, you know, please follow me at Mudita yeah, I think it's about connection, especially during these social distancing times. You want to be able to connect with people and whatnot. Yeah, it's a Tuesday, July 14, 2020. about 1:43 p.m. This was a test of Restream.io's live studio service. Seems to be going well so far, actually pretty effective. People are tuning in. It's very confusing to see how it works on Facebook and YouTube. I see for the comment from David there. So yeah, I guess it's working. It's a cloud streaming service, so I guess if there's something happening on that cloud server end of things, that'll affect the quality of it, that'll affect the timing of it. It is like a middleman, but as a result, it offloads to some of the stuff I'm doing on my end. This is using the live studio service built into the website. I'm going to try out using Twitch today to test it out, see how that works. But then I guess I'm also wondering how the chat works on that end of things. So yeah, hope this all looks good and all that. Yeah, this is just a temporary test, but I don't have much more material than this, and I'm able to do stuff like show these different screens and stuff just in this live studio thing. That's pretty fun. And then there's these graphics and stuff. I can hide this, and then I can hide my camera. For the background stuff too. It seems like it got darker. Oh, to upgrade to customize the background, I have to upgrade to professional. Okay, they want me to make money. They need to make money. They got to pay the bills. And the participants' names in the bottom left there. Please follow me at MuditaHeart on Twitter, at MuditaHeart on some other shit. I don't know. But yeah, you got to pay money. You got to pay money. You got to follow me. You got to be a consumer. You got to consume, because how else are you going to define your existence in a world lacking spiritualism other than through consumption? How else are you supposed to define humanistic values and higher philosophical import and a moral existence other than through consumerism and how you spend your money and how you choose to spend your money, or at least that's what they would want you to believe. But if you want to know more about other stuff you can identify with other than that, please follow me and buy a t-shirt at my Streamlabs merchandise store. I'm sure that'll be good for you. All right, that'll be it. Follow me on Twitter at MuditaHeart, M-U-D-I-T-A Heart. Mudita means joy out of nobody's joy. This was a test stream. I was just doing a bunch of stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. It's interesting. It's cool that it's happening on Facebook and YouTube, and I'm able to see the comments on the live studio. I really wonder how it works on Streamlabs OBS, which is what I use for my primary streaming platform. But yeah, this was cool. Thanks for engaging so far. This was just a test after all, but yeah, it was cool. All right, have a good one. I'm gonna, instead of saying live, go live, it says go live, and then there's a button that says finish. Okay, cool. All right, and I want to see how the uploads for this work too. That's also something I'm worried about and kind of wondering about, and the quality of the video stream and stuff, if there's stuff cutting out or whatnot, and if there's out of sync on the different platforms. But yeah, okay, let's check it out, and thanks for tuning in. Follow me later, and identify with things more than capitalism and your internalized self-hatred caused by capitalism and labor and systemic oppression. All right, take it easy. Have a good one. Treat yourself. Get some ice cream or some cookies or something.